Hi, I'm Kyle Legal.
And I'm Courtney Legal.
And this is Flippin' San Diego. Welcome back, everybody. Recently, we've had a lot of questions about our vacuum setup for dust collection on our Orbital sander. Now, this is just a Black & Decker random Orbit sander. Nothing fancy. I think it was about 30 bucks on Amazon. Actually, here we go. $42.99 5 years ago at Ace Hardware. So that's where I got that one from. It's been holding up for a long time. We'll probably sling a link into the bio for that. We also have this. This is what I came here to talk about today. This was a $12.99 part from Amazon. This is an OEM factory part from some random company on Amazon, but it is an attachment for a lot of different Black & Decker models. Now, if you're trying to figure out how to set up your own dust collection, just Google your model and add the words vacuum adapter to the end. This goes right in there, just like the original sandbag would, or I should say dust bag. And then you take the other end, slide it right in there. Now you'll notice it's a little bit of a loose fit, right? Now you can go ahead and get another adapter and another adapter, or you can do the old fix, just a little bit of tape. Now I like to use painter's tape because it does the job, but you don't have a lot of residue afterwards. So a couple of rounds of tape, I'm not gonna waste too much here because it's just a demonstration. And then when you go to peel it off, you're not gonna have all that stickiness left over that's usually left over from a heavier duty tape like T-Rex tape or duct tape, Gorilla tape. Those might leave some stickiness, which will then just over time build up with more and more dust, and then you're gonna have to clean them. Painter's tape's nice and easy, peels off nice, and if you wanna reuse that piece, usually you can. So this has actually cut down our dust in our garage, I'd say at least 75%. So we used to have to sand and then go around and blow our entire garage out the door because we had all these fine particles. It would take about another 30 minutes after every single project. So by creating a dust collection system with a simple $12 part, we've actually cut down our time, which increases our profits, right? Less time, more money. That's what I'm talking about. So if you guys have any questions, we'll put the link for this in the bio as well. Check us out, and be sure to follow us on YouTube at Flippin' San Diego, as well as Instagram, and we will see you soon.